Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Pancakeswap, guys. So in this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Pancakeswap episode 2. This video is very urgent for you, so guys, never miss any second of this video. And right now, subscribe our channel for more videos. Guys, the right now price of the Pancakeswap is 25.14 cent. 25.14 cent is the current live price of the Pancakeswap. And other side, furthermore, if we talk about the changes, so the changes is also going positive. Last 1 hour change is negative. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Pancakeswap in the market is going positive. So first of all, I'm very happy due to the positive changes in the previous time, but in the last 60 minutes the situation is going wrong. Just in the last 60 minutes, wow, really, you can see, just look here, this price chart going straight to the moon. Now guys, they continue, that is the moon, and now they are in the moon, guys. You can see here they are in the moon. Ready, guys, ready. That is the separating time, because let me show you the changes. On the 29th July, the price of Pancakeswap is $14 USD. Just look here in the top corner, the price of Pancakeswap here, and look at the price. On the 29th July, the price of Pancakeswap is $14 USD, and slowly on the 6th July, the price of Pancakeswap is $17 USD, and on the 10th July, the price is 18. Just look here now, the right now price of Pancakeswap is 25.18 cent. 25.14 to 25 cent just in the last 30 days. That's called a jump, guys, and that's why I'm telling you that please hold to the last top, because they will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. What is your opinion about Pancakeswap? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.